Hey, good morning. This is my first attempt to try to make a YouTube video of my solar stuff here in the garage. Thought I'd try it out and see what I can do here. Here's my
You know, this DIY homemade partial off-grid home solar system has come a long, long way in 4 years. Pretty happy with the way it's performing. But the purpose of this video is to show you my home hi-fi stuff here that I didn't sell in the garage sale. I've always been a music buff, and I always liked good sound. So I think it's time to upgrade this 35-year-old Harman Kardon receiver. One quick thing I want to show you, and I sped this portion of the video up, is my new little 12-volt rig here with the Blue Sea Systems bus bar. Did a little rewiring. I got a new cigarette lighter for this thing. Eject, eject, eject. This thing works absolutely great. But what I want to show you here is this old receiver. It still works, but the tuner is crackly. You know, I've ripped this thing open several times with, you know, to do maintenance with deoxit products, and you know, it's just getting old. So was searching around Amazon and YouTube and reading reviews, and I decided I'd go with the modern Yamaha 5.1 system that has Bluetooth on it. That way I can rig up my Amazon Echo Alexa to it. But it has some really cool old school discrete components, and I think I'll put this Harman Kardon HK385 to rest. Alright guys, hey, thanks for watching, and I'll let you know how it goes. See ya.